Marlene, nasira yung rice ko.
Kasya na siguro yung rice ko.
Halika na.
Bakit? Marami kang ulam?
Marami.
Maraming asin.
Marami. Kain na nga lang. Malaglag pala dyan. Oo, siya. Siya na rest in peace.
Hey. Siya.
Kinakawa ko yung fish.
Mini. Buhay. Very hot. Yeah, beer. We will buy washing machine. Half.
Me and you?
Yeah.
Too much.
Huh?
Too much.
No, we will buy small, only maybe 300, 400.
Okay, ask.
We will go in the...
If you ask Shaimat to give wash machine, I will fix. I know how fix.
No need, yeah, Abir. It's already with her, no need. You will just get trouble. To be away from trouble.
Sa'yo na yung rice dyan.
Diba? To be away from trouble.
Hindi ko maintindihan yung trouble ng pinagsasabihin. Okay guys.
Trouble
this
is the way, it's trouble is the way.
friend.
Tan, tan, tan.
Oh. Ngayon guys, this is a tokwa. This is what we call the tokwa. And
Ano nga English ng tukwa? No need to know the English of tokwa, okay? It's bean curd. Bean curd.
this is our food guys. Oh, yan.
Alagbati.